Mrs. Johnston, we are going to learn how to write the A sound. This spelling is different from the spellings that we have learned thus far or studied up until now. So because those spellings are different, I'm going to use some different colors for today's practice. Notice that I have written A space E. These two letters, A, E, work together as a team. And we've heard of other letter teams. But in this team, there is a space between. So we're going to slow down a little bit with today's lesson. And we're going to take it a little bit slower for learning the A sound. So I am going to add G at the beginning. And notice that I added an M, but I put my M in blue. I'm doing this to show you how we figure out this A sound. So let's decode or pronounce this word. Some of you might pronounce this G, A, M, A, gamma. Gamma is not a word. So remember that we are learning that A sound. So this word is actually pronounced game. G, A, M. When you have A, E with a consonant in the middle, this E becomes silent. And it makes this A say the long sound, not the short sound. So the word game is G, A, M, and the E is silent. I've used a V to show my two vowels working together. And sometimes you might see an arrow also. And sometimes this is referred to as silent E. So I'm trying to incorporate all the different ways to show you how the A sound is incorporated with showing the A space E. So let's try some more words. And because I'm using different colors, it might take me a minute to get those words all in there. So let's try this word. All right, so let's remember that silent E or our A team as we work on this next word. Aid, made. Made has 4 letters, but it only has 3 sounds because of that silent E or our A team. Think of this as the silent E and the V makes our team. Let's try a couple more words. All right, let's try this one. Ache, cake. We have our A team by showing the V. It's a team. Or think of it as this is E is silent and it makes the A say the long sound. Ache, cake. Let's practice this word. Jade, jade. A-E with the space makes the long A sound. Jade, jade. I'm hoping that by me using different colors that you're able to see how this long A sound works as a letter team or as a silent E. All right. G-A-V, gave. Gave has 4 letters, but only 3 sounds because our AE team or our silent E. This one only has a sound in the middle, but remember, this still works as a team. 8. 8 has 3 letters, 2 sounds. Let's try a couple more practice. All right, there are 2 consonants, but remember, these 2 letters together make 1 sound. Sh, ache, shake. Ape, tape. Ache, rake. Ape, grape. Grape has 5 letters, but 4 sounds. Ape, grape. So remember, today's lesson we learned the A sound, the long A. That long A is A space silent E, or our our AE team. Make sure in today's lessons that you slow down when you're practicing that A sound. I know today's lesson was very different from any of the other sounds that we have learned. So if you need to rewatch today's video, please do so.